Hello everyone! So somebody was asking me how to put drawings in grayscale and color at the same time, basically, on Photoshop. Um, it's nice because on Rebel you can just like hit a hotkey and it does it. For me it's G. I think that's normally what it is anyway. Um, all you have to do is you make a new layer and turn off this layer because otherwise it'll get all messed up. Fill it in with the paint bucket. Turn this guy back on. And on this one, you just set the layer to color. Saturation works too, but color. And then you can work. You see how you're selecting, as long as you're clicking the one with color, you can see the color, but it'll still be in grayscale. So you can be like, oh, I need to like put a color here, and it'll let you paint like, oh, sorry, I was still using the paint bucket. Anyway, this one. Then it'll let you select brown, but you're only going to see it as grayscale. Sorry, I haven't used Photoshop in forever. We're on like a soft round. There we go. So like here, you got yellow. Go. That way you can work on the grayscale of the image at the same time as the color, because when you turn this off, it's right back to color right where you left it. Another cool thing you can do that I want to show you real quick is you can go to Window, and then you can go to Arrange, and then New Window for the snail, whatever you're working on, it'll appear here. You click that, and it's right here. Then you can go here, Arrange, 2 up vertical is the most common. That way you have one big one and one small one, so whichever one you want to work on, if you want this one to be the big one, just click over here and zoom way in. And that way, as you're working, really zoomed in on those details and everything, you can see what it's actually doing over here on this window. So that's really helpful with that. And the same thing still applies. You're still working in color and grayscale at the same time. So yeah, hope that helps.